Hi, Namaste, and welcome back to our channel. This is Gowthami. In this video, we are going to have a look on the third step of learning English. So, without any delay, let's get into the video. Before that, please take a minute to click that like button so that it would boost me up to do more and more videos and keeps me motivated. Coming to today's video, the third step to ace fluency in English is grammar. I know what are you thinking about, guys? You are thinking that is it grammar really essential to speak English fluently, right? Let me tell you one thing. I have started this challenge on the name of step by step guide to ace fluency, right? So, if you go back and check once, I did not mention that grammar is important or grammar is really necessary in the previous stages. Why? Because we are in the basic level, we are in the foundation level of learning English. But now we have crossed two levels, and right now we are in the third step. What I mean to say is that after you are able to speak out some English phrases, some basic English words, some phrases regarding politeness, some English vocabulary, and if you are able to frame sentences, then it is time for you to work upon your grammar. It may be quite interesting to know that grammar is not too much important to speak a language, neither it is not that it is not at all necessary to speak English. You need to understand that you must have minimum knowledge of grammar if you want to speak English fluently. Okay, in this video I will tell you what to learn and how to learn so that you will find it easy and does not feel overwhelmed while stepping up this third step. Okay, grammar is essential. I know that you have watched a number of videos telling that grammar is not at all essential, right? But let me ask you a question. Without knowing basic grammar rules, will you be able to frame quite good sentences? No, right? It means that grammar is necessary. You may not have the full depth of knowledge regarding grammar, but you know at least basic minimum grammar rules and grammar structures so that it would be quite easy for you to frame sentences, good English sentences, and use good English sentences when you are in a conversation and impress the other person. Okay, if you are not looking upon grammar at all, then you will do a lot of grammatical mistakes. Sometimes some grammar mistakes are okay because even the native English speakers are also not very keen about grammatical rules. Okay, while speaking English, while speaking natural English, they sometimes do not bother about grammar mistakes, and not only that, they think, oh, it's fine, I am able to understand the content of what she is able to say, what she is saying to me. I need not focus too much on the grammar. Okay, so don't panic, but if you get to know some things about grammar, it will be useful to you so that you can impress others with your speaking skills, right? That is what we need. So what I want to tell you is that if you are a basic English speaker, I mean, if you want to learn English only to express your thoughts, express your feelings, express your opinions, and just to communicate with other persons in a very natural way, then I may say that learning grammar is not too much important. Okay, I recommend you to learn the tenses part and the articles of English grammar so that you can frame good sentences. It will be enough. Remember that spoken English is quite different from the academic English. So make sure that you are touching the tenses part and articles part in English, and you will be able to speak English fluently. I'm going to provide you the video regarding articles in the end screens. I hope you will check out for sure. And next, if you are a person who want to give an academic test, either it may be listening or writing or speaking, okay, if you want to give any test like IELTS or TOEFL or any English test, then make sure that you are good. Okay, you must be good in it, because when you are going to attend a test, the paper will be in such a way that they will be expecting some good knowledge regarding English from you. So you need to make sure that you are good at English grammar. Okay, if you want to become a writer, okay, if you want to become a writer who writes stories, novels, and not only that, if you are a person, or if you are in a field where you want to send, where you need to send a lot of emails, a lot of messages to others, then your written English must be perfect. Okay, make sure that you are not doing any grammatical mistakes. Based upon this, you can conclude that you can speak English quite fluently. I am telling you about spoken English. Okay, you can speak English quite fluently if you study at least 50% of the grammar. As I said earlier, please have a look on the tenses and articles. But remaining persons, especially teachers, please put it in mind, especially teachers who want to teach students, please make sure that your grammar is perfect. Okay? Yes. If you are teaching someone academically, they are paying you, right? So be a little bit cautious before speaking. Okay, each and every word, each and every sentence that you are framing and uttering from your mouth, make sure that it is grammatically correct. Okay, so by this I conclude that grammar is the third step, and now it is time. You already have completed 2 steps of learning English, and now you are in the third step. I hope you have watched the previous videos also. If not, please go check it out. I have created a separate playlist also. So I recommend you now to have a look on the grammar. In tomorrow's video, I will provide you all the information regarding 12 tenses. Okay, make sure you watch that video without fail. Without fail. Tenses plays a very important role. Please understand and check out tomorrow's video also. And if you find this video useful, please share it to your friends and family members. Thank you so much for joining me till the end. See you soon in the next video.